Counseling, the maintenance your mind deserves. Why do we accept car servicing but reject mental servicing? If your car makes a strange noise, you check it before it breaks down. If your phone lags, you restart it before it crashes. Yet, when our minds feel off, when stress, anxiety, or confusion build up, we tell ourselves, I'll handle it alone. But why? Counseling is not for the weak, it is for the wise. It is not only for those in crisis, it is for those who want to stay strong, clear-headed, and in control of their lives. Many people reject counseling due to stigma. They fear being judged or labeled. But avoiding help does not make problems disappear. It only makes them grow in silence. The most successful people, CEOs, athletes, high achievers, all have counselors, therapists, or advisors. Why? Because mental clarity is the foundation of all success. If your mind is cluttered, your decisions suffer. If your emotions are unchecked, your relationships struggle. If you want to thrive, take care of your mind as well as you take care of your car, phone, or physical health. Counseling is not a weakness, it is a strategy. P.S. Counselors and therapists are trained professionals in psychology, mental health, social work, and life coaching. Some specialize in stress management, relationships, trauma, or performance psychology. Seek them out and accelerate your endeavors. It's all part of the growth process. Will you take it?